Hi, my name is Dave Northcutt. I work for Thor Motor Coach. I am one of the Class C West Coast representatives. I cover 6 Western states and Western Canada. 3 brands that I proudly represent are Quantum, Synergy, and Compass. Thor Motor Coach is the largest manufacturer of motorhomes in the world. Basically what that means, anything that has an engine in it under the Thor Motor Coach umbrella. We have 23 brands currently. We have a motto called Made to Fit, basically for any buyer. So you have your entry-level product all the way up to our high-end diesel brands. So that would encompass, and that's our motto of who we are and what we're about. Nice thing about Thor Motor Coach is we are a single piece of a larger entity called Thor Industries, which has many companies involved in it. On the towable side of the industry and a couple motorized as well.